Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the images in Python, how we treat images using Python. Okay guys, so first of all you have to copy the image in the current directory. If you are using Python PyCharm, then you have to see a video how to import images in the current directory. And if you are using Jupyter Notebook and you don't know how to do that, you can check the description. I have made a video how to import the image in the correct directory. Okay, so let's start. For this video we have to import the image first. So we have to call a module sky image import io, and we have to make a variable, and you can name it as you want. I have named it as image, and then you have to call the function imRead, and in the function you have to call the image name to read the image. Okay guys, and then if you type image, what is the type of the image, and if you run this, you can see we are getting the output as numpy nd array. So you can see the big difference is we are treating images in Python as array, and you can also show it as a numpy in Python. Okay guys, then we have to analyze something image.shape. What will be that? You can see it is a three-dimensional array and it has 1200 rows and 1200 columns. So you can also find out the image size. You can see that the size of the image is a big amount of size, and you can also find out the dimension. So we have already saw that the image is three-dimensional, and we can also see it here, the image is three-dimensional. And we can also slice the image and get the actual values. So for doing that, we want the first 5 pixels array that is helping to grow the image. So if we run it, you can see the real numbers that is being used to make the total image. This is the first 5 numbers actually. So first 5 array actually, not numbers, and we have got too many. Okay guys, then what we will need to do, we want to learn something advanced. So for that we have to import a module like import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. If you don't know how to import modules, you can check the description. I have made a video on that. So you have to import this module as plt, and then we have to call plt.imshow that will display our image. And if we hit enter, you can see the image is here. So this is the image of mine. We have to now analyze this image, and you can see if you write down these lines of code, that is what we are printing A to Z from first to last. That means total image, but in a transpose form. That means in a reverse form. And if you click on this or run this, you can see the rows have been reversed. Okay guys, and the next thing, we can also do slice of our image and do a lot of things, but we are not discussing all of this. I am showing you how to slice, how to make a slice of this image, and this is for the row and this is for the column. And if you hit enter, you can see we have got a little size of image from the sky side actually. So guys, this is all about the image slicing and image analysis. And if you want to learn about more numpy for machine learning or anything else, you can follow my channel, subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching this video guys, and please subscribe and help me to grow my channel.